Here I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton, which I've just installed a remote start system to. So if I hit this one, that's all going. I can arm the alarm, I can disarm the alarm, and if I disarm the alarm a second time, then it actually unlocks the tailgate here. So the first press won't disarm it, and what's cool here is this bit here remains locked, so even if you unlock the vehicle mechanically up the front, this remains locked and it protects these so they can't be opened. And there's a PIR sensor up there for the canopy as well. For more details on remote engine starts and alarms and your security systems, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.